Okay, here's our van. Tatlo lang tayo, pero yung ano natin, pampamilya. Quick room tour lang kasi very straightforward naman ang aming room. So when you enter from the main door, on the left we have the bathroom. Ayan. Tapos shower area. Oh, may mga towel sila. Ayan. Then here, ito na yung bed. Ito yung mga kasama ko. Si Feb tsaka si Ate Tien. Here's the bed. Parang double-sized bed to, no? Yan. Ayan, that's it. Good morning, guys. Andito tayo ngayon sa Taipei, Taiwan. Technically, this is our first day to explore the city. Our first stop. What is this again? Scallion pancake. Yeah, try natin siya. Ito yung for our breakfast. Kamusta? Okay lang. Maitlog. So we're trying the viral noodles dito sa Shimenting. And how much to?
65 for small.
And TDA. So, ito yung breakfast natin. Okay naman, pero mainit lang.
Super hot.
Đều 18 hết rồi.
Our first train ride for this trip. So, hey guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Curista Coffee here in Taipei 101 and I ordered Spanish latte na iced. Si Feb, Taiwanese, sorry di prepared, nagulat siya. Taiwanese latte. Si Ate Tien.
Esmantos and Tulong Tea Coffee Latte.
Hot. Hot. Nandito kami ngayon sa Lululemon, guys. And si Ate Tien, anong bibili mo? Ako, parang ito. This one. Parang nice to. Belt bag. This is nice. Mura na to, Feb.
Go na.
3,000 daw kasi to sa US.
Hong Kong.
Ay, sa Hong Kong.
3 plus.
Dito, parang 2K, tapos less tax refund pa. What do you think? Yes!
So where does she
Where do I put the
letter here? Put here, and the number or letters or dots is okay.
So how many? We will suggest 7 inside. We are more pretty for because too long not pretty.
E, my initial. Yes. E.M.G.
Okay, and colors?
Silver.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay na to? Yeah.
First week. Ako kayo may birthday.
Happy birthday, Ira.
Birthday color, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Hey guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Taipei 101 and nandito tayo sa 89th floor. Tama, di ba? 89th floor. So, this is our view. Yan. Ito yung damper. Yan. Feb, ano nga yung story nito? Parang apparently this big damper, hindi natin alam. Hindi tayo sure. Ay, hindi tayo sure. Pero parang ganun.
Pero yan yun.
Yan.
Sorry, ate.
Hindi na namin magagawa yung TikTok trend kasi bawal na po. As you can see here, bawal na. So, improvise na tayo, guys. Wala pa sa ano to. 1, 2, 3, go. Wow, taas. Diyan kami galing kanina. So this is Taipei in February. Actually, end of February. Last week of February. Malamig. So, tapos na kami pumunta sa Taipei 101. It's 5:24 p.m. And we are on our way to Sanrio. Kasi favorite ni Ate Tin tsaka ni Feby si Hello Kitty. Happy kids! Hey guys! So, nandito kami ngayon sa Donki. And so far, wala ba ako napipili? Actually, yung gusto ko, yung makeup brush cleaner na matagal ko na hinahanap. Parang hindi siya available dito sa Donki branch na to. Sad. As you can see, inuulan kami right now. It took siguro mga ilang 45 minutes? 50 minutes of bus ride going here. Here's our view. Ayan. Again, we booked this via Klook. So, you can use my discount code. Charot, wala pa pala. Klook, baka naman. Ito yung Geo Park, guys. Ayan. So, nakalabas na kami ron sa mismong Geo Park. And then, sa exit, ito yung makikita mo. Yung parang market nila. Tapos maraming mga food. Iba-iba. Okay. Verdict. Matigas.
Matabang siya, pero masarap. Yung mas maaming flavor. Kasi minsan sobrang sweet na siya.
Pero lasang sausage.
Oo, kahit kagat ka nga.
Sige lang, sige lang. Oh. Matamis? Hindi matamis?
Hindi.
Oh. We are here at
Shippin.
Shippin.
Shippin, baka mamaya mali pa tayo.
Magpapalipad kami ng lantern dito. So, ito yung sikat na sikat sa social media. Pwedeng magsulat ng mga wishes dun sa lantern, tapos ipapalipad. Alright. Okay. Thank you. Ayan. Magsusulat tayo. Yan ang aming wish. Love Life 2025. Good boyfriend for FG, KG, and AG.
So, financial freedom, more space for business.
I post love you. No, love you. I 1, 2, 3. Post. I 1, 2, 3. That's her. That's her. I post money. I post bookie.
Hey! Woohoo! Yan! It's good. Homemade bubble tea. Ayoko yung puro tamis na ito, authentic, homemade here in Taiwan. Sarap. So, nandito kami ngayon sa Shippin. Shippin pa rin. Pero, uy! It's swaying. Oh my God! Swaying room as the music. Ano ba naman? Mag-order kami dito sa Shippin. And ganito yung sasagutan namin. Nakakaintindi ba kami ng Chinese? Hindi. So, paano tayo order? I-match na lang namin yung character dito sa nasa menu. Okay, braised pork rice. Murag-murag. Wait, so 3 characters to. Hanap tayo ng 3 characters. Ito yun. Sana tama na pinag-order ko. Tignan natin kapag may dumating na akong tao. So ano sa'yo? Fried noodles. Ikaw rin may order. Ito? Tapos na yung look tour namin for today. And yung last stop namin is yung Rauhe Night Market. So, this is my second time here.
Uy, Ira, share tayo ba?
Sige lang ate. And we will definitely try yung sikat na pepper bun. Let's go! Ay, dito yung entrance sa kabila. Ang daming tao! Ayan, nakakila na kami dito sa, sige po. Itong pepper bun na may Michelin star. Ayan na guys. Tignan mo, doon nila niluluto yung bun sa parang ano. Ingat! Ang ingat! Masarap. pupunta kami sa Taichung para dun sa tour na binook namin via Klook. And then, we're going to see the flowers na sa may garden. Yung may piano yun, di ba? Tapos, nandun din yung oldest milk tea shop in Taiwan. Third day, let's go! Third day, let's go! Oops.
Rice dumpling.
And winter melon. Ano ba ito?
Lemon.
With lemon slush.
Lunch. Ay, basta yan. Dito pa rin kami sa flower garden. Masarap nga guys. So, kung pupunta kayo dito sa the flower garden here in Taichung, order this winter melon slush. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Rainbow Village. Still in Taichung. Ayan. So, merong mga art dito.
Let's go inside. Sorry.
For the vlog yan.
Tinawag siya na Rainbow Village kasi rainbow. For the vlog lang tayo. Subscribe ka na rin.
Like and subscribe.
Sa'yo. Ayan yan.
Siyempre, feature natin yan.
More travels in the coming years. Yay! Okay. Ayan. Nandito tayo ngayon sa store ko saan nag-originate yung pearl milk tea. Ayan. Ang sarap niya. Hindi matamis. Diba? Okay, pasok tayo dito. Okay. Pwede daw mag-dine in here. Wow! Tignan natin yung mga flavors. What do they have here? Triple ice cream. Hindi kinakain nila. guys. So, nandito na kami sa Taoyuan International Airport and we are heading back to Manila. Nakapag-check-in na kami, boarding, and nakapass through na rin kami sa immigration. And katatapos lang namin kumain. So, that's it for my Taiwan vlog. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I post new videos. Thank you guys for watching!